Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a new indie brand. Well, new for me. I just heard about it and their name is Sugary Cosmetics. If you've heard of them, then you probably know more about them than me. I saw their last palette that they came out with. I thought it was super cute, so I decided to order it and see how it performed, see how the shadows were, how, you know, there's blushes, there's highlighters. So I decided to do a video. I have already started the eye look because I'm kind of wondering if I can do this and make it go a little faster for you guys so you're not like having to sit through the whole thing. But I will tell you what I did. If you like this type of video or a style for doing the makeup, let me know. Like I said, they came out with a new eyeshadow palette, and let's start with that. The eyeshadow palette is called the Banana Split palette, and it's this one. It's so adorable. And I was curious, to see what it was, to see what it looked like and what colors came with it. And these are the colors. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And then it's got a little mirror over here that you can use. So I like using this as a, like a little hand mirror, which is cute because you can hold it by the base. And so far what I've been trying out, that I started doing a look, I really love the shadows. They're blending really well. They're nice and pigmented. I haven't had any trouble blending them out at all. I also love that besides being an indie brand, I love to support, the small brands. I love that they are, it says here on the back, it's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, triclosan, never heard of that one. And then sodium lauryl sulfate, I hope I say that right, gluten, and then it says to store in a cool and dry place. It's cruelty free, and it's, the packaging is recyclable, and it says that it's 12 months after you've opened the packaging. It lasts up to 12 months because, as you know, products do expire, and so we want to get rid of them when they say, even though who really does that? I don't know. Do you guys do? Because I know I've kept my palettes long after they've been expired, which is not a good habit, I know, but some of them I just have a hard time parting with. So let's start off. Let's finish up this eye look. I'm going to zoom in, finish up this eye look, and then we'll go and check out the other products. Alright, so I have zoomed us in closer so you can see what what I've done so far. So basically what I did is that as a transition color, I started with this one. It's cookie dough, one of my favorite ice creams. And then there's espresso, bubblegum, lime, chocolate, blue raspberry, green tea, orange, banana split, cherry, uva, cheesecake, cotton candy, fresa, blue moon, mint, and pistachio. I love that some of the flavors are in Spanish, which is kind of cool. It's a couple of them only, but I'm staying in this area here because I always tend to do like pink looks, so I wanted to do a little bit different today. So I started off, like I said, with cookie dough, and then I went into mint to kind of continue that transition, and then I went into blue raspberry and really applied that pigment. I wanted to test out and see how pigmented they were, but yeah, as you can see, it's still coming through even with the brown, so that's nice. And then that blue raspberry, I blended it out with banana split, and it's got a little banana stamp on there. I love all these kind of things. I'm such a sucker for that.
You're kind of a sucker.
And then I used chocolate to give the eye a little more dimension. So kind of that's where I started. I figured it was a lot easier, like I said. But if you don't like it, if you want me to start from the beginning, my eye looks, also let me know. I want to try different things and see what you guys prefer and enjoy more. So let's continue. So like I said, oh, sorry, wrong brush. So like I said, I put the brown, which makes it look purple, which is weird. It's probably because of the blue and the brown. The brown is also a little bit more reddish, which is what I think is the reason that it's giving us more of a purple vibe once it goes on mixing with the blue. Because to me, I don't know, If it comes out on camera, I guess I'll see it when I'm editing. But in camera even, it looks a little more purple. Oh yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. These colors all blended together. And I like to see that yellow peeking through. I really think it, I don't know, it reminds me of a snow cone. All right, so now I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Boing concealer from Benefit and take a little bit on my hand. Go take a crease, you know, a cut crease brush and get a little close so you guys can see what I'm doing. And just, it's not, doesn't have to be a perfect cut crease. Just kind of lighten up the center a little more is what I want. One thing I learned is that if you stamp your brush, you get a nice crisper line than if you try to go like this. All right, like so. And then I'm going to grab a wet brush and I'm gonna dip it into pistachio. I think that'll look really pretty with that green, with the colors we got going on. And yeah, that's definitely very pretty. Is that pretty or what? Very pretty. This is a pistachio shimmer that's in this eyeshadow palette. Absolutely gorgeous, darling. And then I think I'm going to grab some of the Blue Moon blue shimmer right here and apply between the pistachio and the brown. I think that might look really pretty. Oh yeah. Very pretty, because that way it kind of gives it a little bit of a transition. I'm gonna use that green again to kind of blend it in so it looks like they're fading one into the other. Yeah, isn't that pretty? What do you guys think? Do you like it? Would you wear it, something like this? And I think I could see myself with a beach dress. No, big sun hat. All right, so that is the eyes. I'm gonna go and put on some lashes and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back with my lashes and my eyeshadow. So, with my eyelashes and my eyeliner. Of course the eyeshadow's on. Let's do the bottom lash line. What I'm gonna take is a nice little flat brush. And I'm going to dip it into the chocolate one and put it on the outer. I'm going to look up, put it on the outer lower lid. And then on the other side, lower lash line, not lower lid. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
That, and then take a nice fluffy brush like this one. This one, as usual, is my MAC 221 and go into, I think I'm going to go into blue raspberry. I think that'll look pretty. This blue and blend out that brown. And then for the lower lash line, I am going to put on some light color. I'm going to go in with this nude from Kiko Milano. Takes the red out of the bottom. I feel like when I put black, it makes your eyes look a little smaller. I like it for at nighttime, like for a smoky eye, but not all the time. All right, so now that is, oh no, what am I doing? So then for the inner corner, I'm going to take this Cotton Candy, which is a cute little like lilac or light purple shimmer, this one. And I'm going to use that for the inner corner, which is, these shimmers are so pretty. Look at that. And then I'm going to put a little bit up here, kind of give a little shimmer to the brow bone. We're going to take some mascara. And as usual, my Isla mascara that I've been really liking. Put that on. And then now let's look at the blush. And for the blush, this little bucket of ice cream. Is that cute or what? And the little, this little tub says Sugary Scoops by Sugary Cosmetics blush palette. And it opens the way the eyeshadow palette does. Oh my gosh, I just love this. This collection is so adorable. And I'm going to go into this one up here. This one is called Pink Lemonade. Let's see how it works. I already have bronzer and everything on. Ooh, that's pretty. And a little bit over the nose, just like so. Give us a little bit of a flushed. That is so pretty. Look at that. It's, what do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. These are so pigmented. All right, so that is the blush. And then let me put on some setting spray so we can play with the highlighters. So this, I'm gonna take the new, it's from Fenty Beauty, and it's their Baby What It Do. I bought the small one because I want to check it out and see how it works, but I don't know, this mister is pretty awesome. Ooh, it smells really pretty. All her stuff, I don't know what she does, but she makes her products smell amazing. Now my little fan. I like my makeup today. It's a good makeup day. It's been a while. I've been fighting with this camera all week. All right, and then here is the highlighter. Again, another ice cream scoop. After this, I'm gonna have to go get ice cream.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
It's called Sugary Scoops Highlighter Palette. And this one as well. They all close with magnets. That's how they stay closed. See, I'm gonna take this one right here in the middle. And this one is called Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Take that, and let's see. Because I think the other one would be too light. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Very shimmery. Very shimmery. And then on my nose. And the bridge. That is some pretty highlighters. This whole collection is so cute. Let me go put on some lipstick and I will come back with my thoughts. So this is the final look. What do you guys think of Sugary Cosmetics collection? Do you like it? The size of the palette is definitely not convenient for travel, but to have at home and to kind of maybe even display, it is super cute. I absolutely love this along with, you know, the highlighter, and I really like the eyeshadow. I mean, it's not just a gimmicky, you know, it's not just something that's gimmicky. It actually works, which I really love. I've seen other eyeshadow palettes where, you know, they can have these unique packagings and they really just don't work. It's just all about the packaging. So, but here you get the cute packaging and the eyeshadow. I totally recommend it. I love that they're vegan and they don't have all the bad ingredients. And oh, and I forgot to feature in my video, but I'll have to try it in a different one or just put it up for display. But there's also a little cone that's actually a brush, so you can kind of apply your, you know, your blush with. And then this opens. Last time I had to have my husband open it, but I think it gets easier. And it's a little cute, you know, probably good for blending under your eye. It's a cute little sponge, blending sponge. So I thought that was adorable too. So I'm gonna have to kind of set up a little corner here in my makeup room where I have all my favorite packaging, makeup packaging. So anyway, that is it. What do you guys think? Did you like it? Would you buy it? I will put all the prices and links down below. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you reached till now, thank you so much for spending your time with me and checking this out. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.